Hi everyone, I hope everyone's doing well even though we're still out of power here in the Eastern Townships. I know a lot of you are getting your powers back, but a lot of us are still out of power. So today what I'm doing is I'm making some pork loin in a little fire pit that oven that I made, and I'm grilling some flatbread on the top of it. I went to go use my barbecue and there was something wrong with the propane tank, so I stopped using it. Nick's away on driving today, so he wasn't able to be here to fix it. So instead I did this, and I'm grilling up some flatbread, and I got some pork loin and potatoes in the bottom with the coals to cook while I'm doing that. So I've made a little makeshift bench out here so you can see what I'm doing. So here is my little makeshift bench, and you can see that I have my flatbread there that I'm rolling out to grill on the grill. And here's my little flatbread batter that I made, dough that I made. So the way to make that dough is 2 cups of self-rising flour and 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt or sour cream, whichever you have, it doesn't matter, or sour milk, it doesn't matter, and a tablespoon of olive oil, and you mix it all together and you just let it sit for 20 minutes, and then you can roll it out into a dough. Okay, so then you can roll it out to dough. Try to get it as thin as possible. Mine are a little bit thick out here, but it's just for the purpose of the video. And then I take it over here. You see, this is my little grill, and I just throw it on. So this is my other flatbread. It's cooking. Here's a piece, and this is really great. I use it for pizzas. You can use it to put some pesto on it, just like that. I love pesto. Pesto's great. I love black olives. Put it on that, and it's delicious. Just eat it like this. It's perfect. Or you can use it as your base for any kind of pizza, and then you would do the same thing. You could cook it on your pizza oven, or if you've got a stone oven, then you can do that. See down here, that's my pork loin, and I got potatoes in it, and I picked some fresh herbs, and that's going to be cooking for supper. So that's it. It's an easy peasy, nice little flatbread on the stone. Nice power-free supper and snack.